Namaskar, I am Pradeep Solanki. And are you healthy? If I ask you a question, are you healthy? People start looking around, who is healthy here? Okay, and then you want to be healthy? Of course, I want to be healthy, but why you are not healthy? Most of the time the answer will be, I don't have time. Why you don't have time? Because you are trying to find that golden half an hour or golden 1 hour to keep yourself fit, which will take a resolution on the new year. The new year will come, some days go into the party, then say it is very cold in Delhi that I cannot do exercise in cold, and then sometimes say I'll start after Holi, Diwali, Dashera, financial year ending. Something will always go in your life until you are sick, and then forget about 15 minutes of maybe exercise, you will get 15 months leave, and what will stop without you? Nothing. If you want to become healthy, the first thing is forget about that golden 1 hour or half an hour. Even a 1 minute exercise can make a difference. I am giving a statement, I am proving it to you. So when you don't have time, when you don't have 5 minutes, 10 minutes, half an hour for your health, just start your day by only 1 minute of fitness exercise, which is called Injan Dod or Hrud Gati. Like running like engine, Hrud means heart, Gati means speed. It's a very powerful exercise in yoga, especially for the people who think yoga is passive. Yoga is of course progressive. Okay. Now if you are running on a treadmill or maybe running on a road, sometimes what happens is, on a treadmill is inclined, and if you jump on an inclined treadmill with your bent knee is bent, the whole weight of the body will come with a jerk. It is not only the weight, it is the momentum also. So your knee will hurt, especially after the age of 40. Doctor will advise, don't do it. Okay. But in Injan Dod or Hrud Gati, nothing will happen to your knees. You can do even if you are 100 years. So let us learn what is the difference and why it is so powerful as compared to any kind of normal running or running on a treadmill. It has three components. First one is making a fist, taking your thumb inside, and then taking your hands like a action of an engine. Your hands will not go behind, no, till this area only. So straight and back, parallel to ground and parallel to each other. There is no boxing or movement of your shoulders like this. No, it is a very gentle movement. So the second component by which it will never hurt your knees, that you never raise your leg in front. Wrong. You always bend your leg behind like this. See. And while bending your leg behind, try to hit your heels to your hips. Try to hear the sound. So what is happening here? Two things, major things. One, when we are hitting our heels to our hips, our Suksham Sharir, according to yoga, there are three kind of bodies. Physical, which we have your blood, X-ray, MRI you can take. Suksham or subtle, which has prana, which has chakras, which has kundalini. Okay. So hitting your heels to the hips will activate your Suksham Sharir, your Mooladhara chakra or your prana. Means the disease which you may not have today, which may come after a few months or a year, are also rectified without even you knowing it. Second thing, when you are landing on floor, your knee is straight, and you are landing on a toe. This toe will act as a spring, taking the weight of your body distributed over time, force divided over time. So your knee will never have, straight knee will never have 100% weight distributed over time. It will never hurt your knees. Now, what is the power of engine? How do you come to know engine is coming without even looking at it? You guessed it right. It is the sound of the engine which makes it so powerful that even you are not looking at an engine. If you hear the sound of engine, you will run away, clear the track. Similarly, the strength of this exercise lies in the control of breathing. That makes it different from the normal treadmill running or any kind of running. That is the control over breathing. So, what is the sound of an engine? It exhales like this. So similarly, with every change, with every action, you have to exhale like an engine. So the earlier actions were without the breathing. If you do, it will be like this, hitting your hips and taking your hands. Now if you add this component, it becomes very powerful as compared to a normal running or running on a treadmill. A person who is running on a treadmill for around half an hour cannot do it for 2 minutes. So the strength, the power is the control of breathing. How we have to include the breathing, the sound of the engine. With every change you have to exhale. So how to exhale this? If you know Kapalbhati, this is a stronger and faster version of Kapalbhati. But if you don't know, it is very simple to learn. Bring your finger in front of you. Treat this as a candle. This is a candle. If I blow off the candle with your mouth, how I'll do it? If I do it with nose, how I'll do it? Don't worry about the inhale. It will somehow come. Your mouth will open suddenly and you will breathe. So you have to blow off the candle which is outside. A powerful sound. This sound makes it a very powerful exercise. So always start slow and then gradually increase when you have a full control over breathing. It will have a wonderful effect if you do it with breathing. So let us start slow. I will show it slow and then also I will try to increase the speed also and then tell you. So increase the speed when you have full control over it. If you plan it to do it for a minute, difficult. So initially plan it for 30 seconds to 40 seconds. But the strength of this exercise is control of breathing. Okay, so try for 40 seconds and then gradually increase it to a minute or up to 2 minutes. It's a very powerful exercise, especially for your heart. Hrid Gati, increase the rapidly. Your heart rate very rapidly. So, although I told you it's a 1 minute exercise, but it is very difficult to achieve the 1 minute level with the extreme power of breathing. This is the strength of this exercise. So when you don't have time, start only with 1 minute to fitness exercise. Your heart will always be fine. But if you have a BP, any kind of heart issues, or you can say any kind of back problem, then still you can do it without jumping like this. Without jumping you can do. You can also go like 10 steps in front, 10 steps back, 10 steps side, or 10 steps like this. Especially in this COVID-19 situation where you cannot go to a park, you cannot go to, or you want to avoid those. You can still do the exercises in maybe just 5 square feet of area. Most of the exercise for most of our body can be done. Especially the Sukshma Vyayam, there are 50 exercises which can be done, and this is kind of a Stool Vyayam or a full body exercise. So please try it. If you practice it today, you will be able to achieve the 1 minute mark maybe after 15 days or somebody who is a regular will be able to achieve it early, but you can increase it to up to 2 minutes. Then just please share your feedback. What is your current level and have you achieved or not? Okay. Thanks for watching my channel. Please keep watching and share your feedback in your comments. Any particular video if you wish to add. Thank you. Namaskar.